Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. Apologies for the audio podcast. I went for some treatment, so I can't sit in front of the camera. Coming back to the market, the GIFT Nifty was indicating more than 100-point gap down, but our market, although it opened lower in the first few minutes, it has recovered and continued to trade with a positive bias throughout the day. And in fact, in the morning itself, Nifty has recovered more than 100 points from the day's low. Around 2:30, once again, the Nifty tried to made a highest point, but then suddenly at 3 p.m., there was a huge selling. I think Nifty has fallen about 150 points from 3 to 3:30. The Bank Nifty was too volatile. Morning it was down 300, 400 point. Then it was up by 500 point. Again came down by 300, 400 point. Reliance Industries has supported the market. For a third day in row, Reliance was higher. And the reason why there was a huge selling, number one, yesterday the Prime Minister has authorized the defense forces to take any appropriate action. So the fear of some kind of escalation at the border is very, very high. So that's why, though market was trading higher, and look at the put premiums. In the morning when the markets were trading in the green, put premiums were higher, call premiums were also higher. And then at some point of time, Nifty was trading slightly lower, negative, but still call premiums have shot up. So both calls and puts have shot up monthly as well as, second month, third month, and December month, everywhere. And the volatility index has shot up about 5 to 6%. So mainly because, tomorrow is a holiday. Again, just Friday, only one trading session. Again, Saturday, Sunday is a holiday. So during the next 4 days, anything can happen at the border. So that fear is there. And moreover, US markets also continuously moving higher. For 6 trading sessions, US markets moved higher. And today the GDP data was due. As expected, GDP data came lower than expected. In fact, their GDP has contracted. So the recession fear started. The Trump has actually not started his tariff war. So he just did only against China and few other countries. But already the recession fear set in. If he continues to do, like 50%, 70%, at his whims and fancies, so definitely US will get into recession. And I've been saying so many times that, whatever Trump does, the first casualty is American consumers. So America. So he is thinking that other countries will be affected, but other countries will not be affected. Like if a beggar and a richest man fight with each other, the beggar has nothing to lose, but the richest man has a lot of things to lose. It was a movie dialogue actually. So therefore, definitely US has something to lose. But for the last 1 week, 10 days, things are okay. So he has not been talking very, very irrationally. Last 2 days also, I've been reiterating the same thing. For the next 1 to 2 weeks, so this fear will continue to increase. At least if there is an attack tonight, then tomorrow markets may fall and markets may digest it and then look forward. But when that is not happening, so every day there is an expectation. So because of that expectation, the volatility index will continue to move higher. So this is actually not a good time for option writers. So I was just watching 23,000 put option for next week expiry. It shot up from 22 rupees to 35 rupees in a matter of last 30 minutes. So that's a 50% appreciation. So that is a kind of premium shot up. At the same time, the call premiums did not come down. So for next few days, just be ready for roller coaster ride. On one side, even today, both FIIs and DIs were net buyers. On one side, people are using this uncertainty to buy the stocks, the long-term investors. On the other side, the volatility will continue to be there. So things may take some time to settle down. So the May month is not going to be as smooth, but April was also not smooth. April was a 2000 point down, and then after that 2200 point higher. But the May month is also going to be more volatile. So anyway, tomorrow is a holiday, so we'll enjoy the holiday. We will see Friday morning. Hope you enjoyed listening to this audio. Thank you for listening.